Hello everyone, hoping that all you are doing well. Now, I have a question. Why human brain loves distraction? Yes, you heard very clearly. Why human brains love distraction? Because distraction is everywhere and we are easily trapped a such kind of distraction while a notification or a social media or a such kind of something which is also happening around us. And the social media is the biggest problem. Sometimes we are just trying to read and we also kept with our phone near where we are just reading or studying, and after a half an hour or a 5 minute we just read the book, then just seeing someone has called me, and just you're just trying to see the notification of such kind of thing, then you're just trying to pick your phone and just trying to start scrolling. But you really don't understand when the time passed very fastly or very slowly, but the time passed very fastly. When 5 minutes pass, half an hour pass, you haven't understand, and you're still scrolling and feeling happy. So that's a distraction. While doing a such kind of thing, just like a reading or doing such type of practice, you have to stay away your phone, and just you can put your phone at in the another room or the such kind of place where you can't be see easily, can't be access, and after reading then you can easily access, then use what you want. But meanwhile you have to be consistent and be aware of these kinds of things. So because this question is just wandering in my mind, just I asked why human brain loves distraction. Because every small step brings you closer to your goal. But the thing is that you have to doing a great effort in a positive way. Just like you are doing a great effort while learning a such kind of language which can also help you to provide a better version of yourself without anyone, without any companion. The only person you can also the courage, the persistence and the perseverance provide you the best thing which you really want. But you still just in daydreaming and you're just thinking about it. I'm doing well, I am waiting for a perfection, but the perfection is nothing. Perfection comes by practice, and confidence also built by practice. No one is perfect. Everyone just trying to learn a bit by bit thing every day. That makes their life differ than all the person who are just surviving in this world, or as I talk about India. India is totally distracted places, and many Indians are just trying to wait for a shortcut or an exact time, just thinking about it. It's not a perfect time. I'll do when the times will come, but the time won't come. You have to make your time, you have to make your routine, you have to do your practice. Then doing like this in a consistent, then you can see the result will come automatically. But you have to put your effort in a positive way, and you will just trying to do output, then the input. Then if you're just trying to put your input and the output come automatically. Yes. Why I'm saying this? Because it's a point which is happen with everyone, and I'm just hitting a nail on your head. Don't consider I'm weak. No problem. No bro. This happened to everyone. But those who survive, then you can see. You have to manage, you have to just be a person, just like avoid the thing. Don't blame any others. He also trying to bully me while studying time. You have to stay away from while you're doing like this. No matter what the way, whether you are a friend, whether you're a sister, whether you're such kind of colleagues or some relatives. While doing practice, then you have to be motivated, you have to be confident, you have to be clear towards your ambition. So this is very important, how you just trying to use your skills every day, bit by bit conversation, or doing a great practice. And if you do like in this, then your English might be perfectly. And because in my previous video we have already talked where I am, and this is my roof, and one thing happened to my roof is that the summer sewer water supply is closed because pipeline is broken, and those renters are just staying in this building. They are not trying to spend money to repair the pipes or repair the motor, so they are just stuck in such kind of situation, and they are just trying to borrow water from the other person. So this is a bad, bad kind of thing. Those person has a summer sewer or a water supply. He's just thinking about it, if I do, then they are not be able to repair their pipes, then they continuously use my water. But if I stop to give water, then they might be thinking, and they just trying to put their money to repair the pipelines, and the everything will work very perfectly. Could you guess? uh 1% out of 10, 1% has a summer saver, and he's enjoying life very perfectly. But the 9 out of 10, 9% doesn't have a such kind of summer saver, because they had a summer saver, but it is not working right now, right here. They are just using his that person water. but that person but the person who is just giving water is frustrated, and just said that I won't give water to anybody else except my dear member. So that's a way to think the people to doing a thing to contribute their money and just repair their pipes, then they can survive, because water is very important source. Without water we can't be able to do anything, whether we are just washing clothes, taking shower, cooking food, and making tea. So this is the kind of thing. And as we talk about the weather condition, weather is also good, and it's not chances to rain because it's a morning, and I just trying to make videos because morning time is very peaceful time. No one is just waked except me. So that's why I'm able to speak to you in a good way, and you can also listen my voice crystal and clear. But this video, could you imagine that if I just recording this video in my daytime, then lots of sounds beep and bird chirping, or boys are just laughing because it would be the daytime. But I also avoid to shooting my video in a daytime because I've already mentioned that there would be a lots of noise, so that's why I can't be able to make it except the morning. And I also like to prefer morning time because my father also said that always trying to do a great thing by morning. Yes, morning time is very productive. We have to make it more enjoyable or more satisfaction. And even though my father and many types of the professor or a professional who are doing very great things in their field, they always trying to mention that you have to wake up early and just trying to go your bed at just 9:30, 10, or might be 10:30, not cross 12, 1 a.m., 2 p.m. If you do in this like, then your brain might be release your dopamine, and you can't be able to do things like a professional way. and you always stuck and you always just feeling bored or more exhausted. So you have to be control your brain, control your emotions, and doing such a thing like in a consistent and a very small steps. And trust me, if you're doing like very small steps, then you can see your small steps help you to closer your goal. And it happens to everyone. And hoping that you are watching my video very carefully, and if you're just trying to say something, so please let me know in the comment section, so also I can understand what you are trying to make me understand. Because I'm a small content creator, I really don't know how to I go through it, but you are a person who can just guide me. So if you really like a such kind of video, then just trying to make a conversation, then you have to say something in my comment section, then I can read, then I can also try to respond your comment. So don't forget to say something if you are really stuck on it, because I'm a small person who can able to just trying to give you a such type of suggestion which can also level up your knowledge. So don't worry about it, it's an English conversation. And hoping that this video helpful you a little bit. If this helpful, so don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe my channel. So I'll meet you in my next conversation. So goodbye, take care, I'll meet you in my next video. Bye for now.